Alright, it's where I pulled over. There's my tracks when I was getting footage of the trees here.
Hi, Forest.
So this side here has a lot of signs in it. I'm going to look at one in particular that was really, really weird. It's got a little piece of a tree stuck in it, and I don't know how, so I'm going to take a look at it really close and see. It's right here somewhere.
This feels like fun.
Okay. So I saw this on my video, could not make any sense of it. See this? So how in the hell is that stuck there? What's going on? I don't know. So you see these trees? How they're bent like that? So that's done by them. I saw this when I was driving by. Okay, I see now. So that part is broken. So see how that's bent? And this one is bent through there. This one's pushed through it like that. See this piece laying up here? This piece pulled down. And that broke up there. See how it broke there and broke up there. Look at this. This is actually bent. That's bent in there. And those pieces are stuck up there. So imagine how big something has to be to do this. So this is what you look for. This is, look at how that's bent. So this is kind of the first sign. If I walk back in that forest, you'll see more, I guarantee it. But I had to take a look at that because it looked like that piece was stuck in there somehow, like nailed in there. And as you can tell now, it's like 9-10 feet up. Why in the hell would anybody go up there and nail that in? But now looking at it close, I can see they didn't. The Bigfoot stuck it there. Yeah, they did this. This is all done by them. I'll show you later on video. And over there are those ones that are leaning. And there's one that's actually not even from there, that's on that rock. But I'm not all about the trees. As interesting as they are, I need to get more than that. So let's continue. Ugh.